The Amazon is silent, but it is never empty. Something is watching from the shadows. You cannot see it. You cannot hear it. And by the time you realize it is there, it is already too late. This is the jaguar. The most powerful predator in the Amazon rainforest. A hunter built for killing. A shadow that moves without sound. An animal feared by humans for thousands of years. This is not just a big cat. This is nature's perfect weapon. The jaguar is the largest cat in the Americas. It is heavier than a leopard, stronger than a puma, and deadlier than it looks. Unlike other big cats, the jaguar does not chase for long. It waits, it calculates. Then it strikes once. One bite, one kill. There's only one jaguar species. Its scientific name is Panthera onca, but its appearance can change. Most jaguars have golden fur with black rosettes. Some are completely black. These are called black panthers. They are not a different species. They are jaguars born with extra pigment. In the darkness of the Amazon, black jaguars become invisible. The jaguar rules the Amazon rainforest. It lives near rivers, swamps, flooded forests, and deep jungle interiors. It prefers dense vegetation, places where sunlight barely reaches the ground, places where prey feels safe. The Amazon climate is hot, humid, unforgiving, and the jaguar thrives in it. In the wild, a jaguar lives around 12 to 15 years. Life is brutal. Injuries are common. Hunting never stops. In captivity, with food and medical care, a jaguar can live over 20 years. But captivity removes what makes it dangerous: freedom. The jaguar eats meat, and it eats almost anything: deer, capybaras, monkeys, peccaries, birds, fish, even caimans, even turtles with hard shells. The jaguar has the strongest bite of any big cat. Not the fastest, not the biggest, the strongest. It can crush skulls, it can pierce armor. The jaguar does not roar before attacking. It does not warn. It stalks silently, step by step, breath by breath. Then it explodes, a sudden leap, a powerful bite, unlike lions and tigers. The jaguar kills by biting through the skull, straight into the brain. Death is instant. An adult jaguar has almost no natural enemies. It sits at the top of the food chain. Crocodiles avoid it. Snakes fear it. Other predators give way. Only young cubs are vulnerable. They may be attacked by anacondas or large caimans. But once grown, the jaguar is king. The jaguar is dangerous because it is silent, because it is patient, because it never misses. It sees humans as potential prey, especially in remote jungle regions. Attacks are rare, but when they happen, they are deadly. The jaguar does not hesitate. It does not test. It kills immediately. Even kings have weaknesses. The jaguar depends on the forest. When the forest disappears, so does the jaguar. Deforestation destroys its territory. Illegal hunting reduces its prey. Humans kill it out of fear. Diseases can weaken it. Injuries can end its life slowly. The greatest threat is not nature, it is us. Most jaguars die young, from injuries, from starvation, from human conflict. Few die peacefully. Few reach old age. When a jaguar dies, the jungle changes, the balance breaks. A silent guardian is gone. The Amazon does not forgive weakness. And it does not protect ignorance. The jaguar is not evil. It is not cruel. It is simply perfect. A reminder that in the wild, survival belongs to the unseen, and the most dangerous hunter is the one you never hear coming.